Once I dry fit everything together, I'm going to make sure that this wheel turns freely. The dowel here should not be sticking up above the face of this board because we're going to put on the top piece right here, and we don't want this little dowel to push up on that top piece. So before I put on the top and the bottom piece, I want to test this thing. I want to make sure that it's not going to jam up on me. Otherwise, that's not going to be any fun when we have our jar set on here and the gumball machine is completely done. So I just got a few of these gumballs that I'm going to pour in here. Now what I'm going to do is just try to turn it. These gumballs are small enough that 1.5 of these will probably fit into this hole. It's the right diameter, the depth is just too big. So if you have a straight cylindrical hole, it won't be able to just allow one gumball to stay in there all the time. So I'm going to give it several turns, and if it ever jams up on me, I know I've got a problem. You probably want to do this a good 100 times, go each direction, because these gumballs aren't exactly perfect little spheres either. They're a little goofy shaped. So right now, I've actually got a jam. Right here, it's telling me, oh shoot, I'm going to have to take this thing apart and clear out the jam. So I know I need to do something about that side of the hole. I'm going to try turning it the other way as well. So do this several times in both directions and see if it's jamming up at all. Try to keep this little hopper here filled up as much as possible, and just keep testing it. Like I said, a good 100 times both ways. If it's jamming up, you know you got to do something to the hole. So if I look at the hole, I already took a circular file and started shaving down the edge of the hole here and here. That way, the second gumball that falls in the hole can easily be pushed back out of the hole by the edge of this little 2-inch diameter hole right on top of it. So that's how we fix it. Use the file and then do a little bit of sanding. You want to just keep it so not more than a gumball and a half can fit in there. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to do a little more circle filing and sanding and get this thing working just right.